In this video, let's see how to create a supplier document configuration. From the navigation bar, select All. Search for Supplier Lifecycle Operations and navigate to Administration. Select Document Configuration. Select New. Enter name, description, and order fields. Select the active checkbox to indicate that the configuration is in use. Navigate to the Run Condition tab and specify the conditions for the document configuration to run. Select the Upload Preferences tab. In the Required From drop-down, specify who must upload the document. If you select the Anyone option, any one of the supplier contacts can upload the required document. If you select the Everyone option, each supplier contact must upload the required document. Select the Manage Access tab. On the Manage Access tab, assign required access to users or user groups. Select the Notification tab. In the Notification tab, configure whether to send notifications when a document is uploaded or expires. If you select to send notifications, you must list the users that receive the notification in the Whom to Notify on Upload field. Select Submit to save the configuration. Select the configuration that you saved. Navigate to the Supplier Document Types tab. Select New to create a new document type. Enter name, description, and order fields for the new document type. In the tabs for Upload Preferences, Manage Access and Notification, specify the values that you would like to use for the document type. Select Submit to save the supplier document type configuration.